Hi guys. I'm gonna review really quick what we saw today in class. We were talking about perspective drawing, which allow us to represent three dimensions on a flat surface, on a 2D surface. So here are the three kind that we can use. Depends of what point of view we want. If we want like a very simple point of view, we will use 1 point per perspective. If we want a little more complicated, starting with the corner of an object, we can do 2 point per perspective. This is the one that we are going to be focused today. And this is a little more advanced. It's called 3 point. As you can see, it has one here, the second here, and the third could be either at the bottom or at the top, depend of, again, what do you wanna do. So this is what we view today, and now we have here real drawing where we can see is this is an example of 1 point perspective drawing. We can see here the vanishing point, which is also the horizon line, and what we see is like all the lines go to the same point, to the same vanishing point, except for the line that are completely in front of us, which we can call them parallel lines, those yellow ones. So anything that is right in front of us is going to appear in our representation, in our drawing, completely parallel. Okay, so same thing here. So let's go back now to what we practiced at the class. During class, we practiced to create or to represent a cube. A cube, as we know, has six different faces. And what we're gonna do, we always start from the base, from the bottom, and then when we have resolved the perspective of the bottom of our cube, we can just start building the height and provide with the depth the three dimensions. Okay, so let's start. We first need to place the horizon line where the vanishing point are going to be placed, and then another parallel line. Here is our space where the three-dimension object is going to be represented. Now we need our vanishing point. We can call then V1 and V2. We don't have to call it anywhere, but if you want, just now that we are learning, it'll be great. And just remember, because we are working 2 point perspective, we are going to start with a corner because all the lines are converging, are going to the vanishing point, to both of them. And just remember, so a cube, all the faces on a cube are square. So let's represent here in a square. So let's say that we have here our real square. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. And now this point, we want to make it in a 2 point perspective. So what we want to do is just sending this to the vanishing point. To the vanishing point. And now this measurement is the one that we are going to put in here. At this point, we can kind of decide how are the measurement. But just keep in mind that if it's a square has all the sizes, same measurement. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a square. It would be a rectangle, right? So now just keep going. Everything goes to the vanishing point. Next step, height. So we will put the height here and the height here. And then the height will go also to the vanishing point. Another perpendicular line here. and another here. And now go to the vanishing point. Perfect. So we have now our cube in 3D. 2-point perspective drawing. In Spanish we call this perspectiva cónica de dos puntos o con dos focos.